Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color Daisy Duck. We'll start with the face and draw the beak first. If I'm drawing too fast for you, stop the video until you're as far along as I am. Then you can continue with the video again. Now that the upper part of the beak is finished, we can draw the eyes. The eyes are very large and lie exactly above the beak. When the left eye is finished, we draw a right eye. We draw an eyelid in both eyes. And now we draw the lower part of the beak. When we have finished with the beak, we can continue with the shape of the head. First we draw the area above the eyes. And then we draw the two cheeks. Next we draw a very large loop. We start with a knot in the middle. Then we draw the left and right loops. At the end of our drawing, we draw very long eyelashes on each of Daisy's eyes. Our Daisy Duck is now finished. In the following video section, I'll show you very quickly how I colored Daisy Duck. I painted the eyes in black and blue. The eyelid and the bow were painted in a pink color. Finally, I painted the beak in a dark yellow and a light orange. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.